What up, bass fans? It's me, Ryan Bass for Life. Oh yeah, let me show you. I got an amplifier for my bedroom. Yes, the music or whatever the heck that name is, the plug-in the wall amplifier did not work, and I couldn't get it to turn on. I had it turn on one time. Well, no, that's twice. I had it turn on twice, and I sent it back, and they sent me another one. And couldn't find out it was the same one. So they sent me the same one. But let me show you what I got. Yeah, I sent the other one back and they gave me my money. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm not going to be having a plug-in-the-wall amplifier. So, what I got is an Audiopipe amplifier. It's a 1300-watt amplifier for this subwoofer. And yes, this is my old battery, but it's only reading 11.9 volts after I charge it, so I don't think this is gonna work, but I'll give it a try. But if not, I'm just gonna use my battery charger with a built-in battery. So I'm gonna open this. Let me show you. I got a Big Jeff audio sticker. Oh yeah, yes, I ordered this from Big Jeff Audio for about $149. Yeah, Big Jeff. That. Jeff Audio. Get this out of here. Get this. Let's see. There's that. Some extra fuses. I'll show you the amp here in a minute. I'll show you that in a minute too. So, what you all want to see though is the amplifier. So I'm going to show you the amplifier. So take that off. And this. Here it is, the amplifier. Yes, it has three 35 amp fuses. I might actually be switching those to 40 amp fuses or 50 amp fuses. Let's see. Back of it. I can't actually took it out of this plastic yet. So, there's the heat sink. It's pretty nice. It's actually kind of heavy, so it's kind of nice. Yeah. I think it's like four gauge inputs. Yeah, 4-gauge inputs. Let me see, 1300 watts. It's not strappable. Yes, everybody, it's not strappable, but I don't care because I'm just running it on this subwoofer, so. Let's see if I can see in the amps through these holes, everybody. Yeah, I can see in here. Look at this, everybody. This is a nice amplifier. I think it's probably half ohm stable is what I'm guessing, because it is not a it's not a full bridge amp. It's a half bridge amp. Let me show you something. I'm gonna flip this over. Flip this over. Put this here. Let me show you the manual. Yes, everybody, that's, yeah. There, look at that, 1300 RMS watts at 1 ohms. Now, I got this subwoofer wired at 4 ohms, everybody, so I gotta switch the ohms. I gotta wire it differently, so yes, I'm gonna have to parallel wire it. It's in series right now. Yeah, it's series wired. It's a dual 2 ohms. Yeah, that's a dual 2 ohms 15-inch audio ace. Yes, everybody. So it's wired to 4 ohms and series wiring, which I need to parallel it, not series wire it. So it's pretty nice, everybody. Yes, yes, everybody. Yeah, I vented my closet. Look at that, everybody. Cool. Yeah, look at that, huh? Yeah, that's the upstairs living room now. That used to be my bedroom. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got me a little yeah, I built this, everybody. That's pretty cool. Yeah, because there's no vents in this closet, so I let a vent in there. Look at that. Here's the window. Here's a little air conditioner unit. Yeah, everybody. Yeah, that's my mom's upstairs living room. Yeah. The downstairs living room's cluttered, so she needed the upstairs. So, anyways, until next time, I'm signing out. Oh yeah, I'll test it soon.